Some of you will be relieved to know that you still can do it the traditional method. So we're going to multiply symbolically using that method in this video. So in multiplying decimals, you're going to basically take out the decimal points, multiply like their whole numbers, and then put the decimals back in using estimation, or again, you can count the decimal places of both numbers and put this many in the answer. So let's just do some examples here. Notice that the decimal points are not lined up. We line up the numbers when we multiply this way. So you can leave them in there, but we're basically pretending that they're not. So this one, 1 times 9 is 9. This 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, I'm done with this place value now. I need to put a 0 because I'm onto a place value with another one behind it. 7 times 9 is 63, so I put the 1s, carry the 6. 7 times 3 is 21 plus this 6, so that's 21 plus 6 is 27. Put the 7, carry the 2. 7 times 2 is 14, plus this 2 is 16. Put the 6, carry the 1. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. And then I add these together. So this would be 9, 6, 9, 7, 8. Now let's look at where the decimal point should go. So if I were to just use estimation, I could even look at 10 times 7 is 70. So 12 times 7 would be a little bit higher than that, but basically not too much. So I know that the decimal point to be reasonable would be 87.969. Or I could have counted the decimal places. I have 1, 2, 3. So starting here, 1, 2, 3. Go in the same place. So let's do a little bit longer of a question here. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. Carry my 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12, so put the 2, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Okay, I'm going to do my second row here now. So this 4 I've used up. Put a 0. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry the 1. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 1 is 50, so 0. Make sure you don't look at that 2 anymore. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5 is 12. Carry a 1. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22. Carry a 2. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16. And that's the last one, I just put the number. So I'm done with this 7 now. I need to put 2 zeros here. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. They're all lined up. Add them all together. 8 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 4 plus 0 is 12. Carry the 1. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 7 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. Plus another 1 is 13. 6 plus 3 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. So now I could look at my question here, 23 times 17. Well, I could think of it as approximately 20 times 20, which would be about 400. So I would know then that my decimal point would have to go here. Or I could count place values, 1, 2, 3, 4. Start from the right to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want you to pause the video, try these, and I will show the solution in a second.